Hey Habster Nation, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing how I tie my 30-inch butterfly locks for bed. I'll be showing two options using 3 items. First item is a headscarf, preferably satin. Second item is a long bonnet or a large bonnet. And the last item is a normal sized bonnet. I'll start by tying the top of my hair with a head scarf. For the first option, I'll split my locks in two and twist them on each side. Then I will wrap them over my head in a way that will cause the least amount of frizz on the locks themselves. I'll then proceed to secure my locks by tucking them in so that they are not hanging loosely. Next, I'll cover my head with a normal sized bonnet to further secure the hair. As you can see, all is secured irrespective of how much I wiggle my head. I prefer this method for my showers the next morning or for bath time because all the hair is kept up and tucked in. My second option is to also keep my hair tied in a headscarf, but this time I'll cover the rest of the hair with a long bonnet. This option is also secure for bedtime, but you might need to tie it up for showers and bath times because the hair is hanging a bit lower. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it was helpful to you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!